Good morning, everybody. 5 things that Homertonians do every day.
School routine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Brush your teeth. Done. Take a shower. Done. Get dressed. Done. Eat your breakfast. Done. Pack your homework. Done.
थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले